Welcome to our channel. If you want to improve mental focus and enhance cognitive performance, follow these quick and practical steps. Step 1. Eliminate distractions by turning off notifications, closing unnecessary browser tabs, and creating a dedicated workspace for focused work. Step 2. Use the Pomodoro technique by working in focused 25-minute intervals, followed by 5-minute breaks to maintain concentration. Step 3. Stay properly hydrated as even mild dehydration can impair cognitive function and reduce focus significantly. Step 4. Eat regular, balanced meals with adequate protein and complex carbohydrates to maintain stable blood sugar and energy levels. Step 5. Get regular physical exercise, which increases blood flow to the brain and improves concentration and memory. Step 6. Practice mindfulness meditation for just 10 minutes daily to strengthen attention span and reduce mental clutter. Step 7. Get adequate sleep of 7 to 9 hours per night as sleep deprivation severely impacts focus, memory, and decision-making. Step 8. Take strategic breaks throughout the day and alternate between different types of tasks to prevent mental fatigue and maintain productivity. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.